Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a driver on Amazon Flex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flex.amazon.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Amazon Flex. Now from the homepage, in order to start driving, click on the Let's Drive option. You will now be given the instructions to follow in order to start driving with Amazon Flex. Just scroll down and make sure that you read through all of the requirements, and once your requirements are met, you can start signing up by clicking on download the app to sign up. You will now receive a QR code that you can scan using your Android or your iOS device, and once the application is downloaded on your smartphone, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and fill up all of your necessary information, including your personal information and your contact information as well. After going through all of the required credentials and setting up your login, such as your username and password, you will be allowed access into your Amazon Flex account after you pass the review. Once you have passed the review, you will receive a response within your email address that you have used while signing up, or your phone number, and then you can start driving with Amazon right away. And there you have it. That is how you can start up with being a driver on Amazon Flex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.